I thought I'd just do a quick video about bananas and the different parts and how they grow. This is our banana demo garden here at the nursery. See the height that some of the varieties can achieve. Big tropical leaves. Plant has lots of uses. The leaves make great place settings, cut into sections. They can also be used to wrap, to grill and steam foods. And there's lots of other parts of the banana that are edible that no one thinks about besides the fruit. I'm going to start with this plant over here. Some of these have some dead leaves over winter that just need to be trimmed off. It doesn't affect the plant's ability to fruit, just the appearance. If you notice up here, right here is the banana flower. When this is coming up, you're going to see it like this right over here. This last leaf is kind of short, much stunted in the size compared to the other leaves. When this comes up, right behind it is going to be the banana flower. As it emerges totally, it'll turn earthward and point in this direction. And then just a few more days down the road, depending on how warm it is, how much water it's getting, it'll start developing into what's more familiar as the head of banana fruit. This is still the flower here. As each one of these leaf brackets open up underneath, on the early stages, or the female bananas, or the actual fruit, their flowers have already dried up. There's no pollination in bananas, so the flower is irrelevant. They're infertile fruit, that's why there's no seeds in them. And then this is the male flowers, which are actually edible and pretty tasty in salads. The center core of this banana flower is edible as well. You just keep peeling off all these leaves till you get to the center, kind of a celery stalk looking part of the plant, and that can be cooked. The stalk itself really isn't a trunk on a tree. It's a pseudostem. It's just a tightly wrapped series of leaves. Each plant has between 9 and 12 leaves inside of it. And by the time the last one comes out, that's where the fruit is. Each plant will produce pups. This is the baby, this one right here, of this plant right here. And this is the baby over here of this one here. When they first come out, they're actually pretty cute, as you see down here. Little baby off of that one. Coming over here, you can see one even smaller. It's this little guy here. In about 9 months, he'll be just as big as the mom and just as tall. Bananas fruit somewhere between 12 and 15 months after they're planted. The stalk of the banana is edible too, and as well as you can use it for mulch and a number of other series of things. This ice cream banana over here has put off several pups. Here's the oldest baby back here. This is the mom plant and another of her babies there. Bananas only fruit one time, and then after that it's done for fruiting, and you just cut it down, and the next one in the series will be the next one to produce fruit. They have no season, and they can produce any time. So there you go, just a quick little introduction on bananas.